Welcome back to Unity Car, and today I've got something that will make your heart skip a beat, because what I'm about to show you isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels, and yes, there's a secret at the end that you absolutely don't want to miss, so stay with me till the very last second. Let's dive straight into the 2025 Mahindra XUV 3XO, a machine that doesn't just drive on roads, it dominates them. This SUV isn't designed for those who wish to blend in, it's built for the bold who are born to stand out. Starting with the front, the XUV 3XO features a redesigned, aggressive grille, wider and more striking than ever. The iconic Mahindra Twin Peaks logo shines proudly at the center, surrounded by gloss black accents that exude a sense of power and luxury. The LED headlamps are razor sharp, resembling the eyes of a predator, while the uniquely styled DRLs form a signature pattern that can be spotted from a distance. It's not just eye-catching, it's unforgettable. The bumper has been entirely reimagined, boasting strong muscular lines and expanded air dams that add to its dominating presence. A silver skid plate at the base hints that this SUV is ready to tackle rugged terrain without hesitation. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the stunning 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. Sportier than ever, the dual-tone finish enhances their premium appeal and gives the XUV 3XO a dynamic stance. Sleek character lines run seamlessly from the front fender to the tailgate, creating a sense of forward motion even when the vehicle is stationary, and the flush door handles add a futuristic touch while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. A major visual highlight is the floating roof design, finished in piano black, giving the illusion of a roof that levitates. Combined with roof rails and a shark fin antenna, the 3XO looks ready to take flight. At the rear, the design drama reaches its peak, with a new connected LED tail lamp strip stretching across the width of the SUV. It glows like an illuminated signature in the dark, making a bold statement wherever it goes. A sharp rear spoiler adds sportiness, while the dual-tone rear bumper with reflective accents gives the SUV a wider, more grounded look, enhancing its bold attitude. Every inch of the XUV 3XO's exterior is crafted with purpose. Every line tells a story of dominance, confidence, and modern design. If you're someone who values a bold road presence, this SUV delivers it in every panel. And now, the secret I promised. Mahindra has quietly equipped the 3XO with a segment-first active aero grille. It adjusts itself based on speed and driving conditions to improve performance and fuel efficiency, and the twist is, they haven't even publicly revealed this yet. So if you thought buses were good enough to move people, the 2025 Mahindra XUV 3XO will make you forget they ever existed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping automotive content right here on Unity Car, where cars don't just move, they inspire.